Hi everyone, welcome to Math Learner. In this video, we are going to find the value of this problem. As you can see over here, it is a nested radical expression. The square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6. It goes on, and finally is the square root of 6 plus the square root of 9. This expression is complex and with many repeated parts. Maybe we can simplify this question by assuming the whole expression 2x. And as we can see, this whole value is going to be greater than 0. So x is going to be a positive value. And look at this part. It looks the same as x, so this part can be also labeled as x. So we got a quotient. The square root of 6 plus x equals 2x. Square both sides of this equation, that is 6 plus x equals to x squared. That is x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. And here we need a factorization. Let's compare this equation with this one. And easy to know. Minus 1 corresponds to a plus b. And the minus 6 corresponds to a times b. Usually, we like to find these two numbers by splitting the AB terms. Why not use this one as an example? For minus 1 corresponds to a plus b, so there may be many pairs to fit this condition, and minus 8, 7. Minus 10, 9. It goes on. And here, when we split minus 6 into two parts, there are minus 6, 1, 6, minus 1, minus 3, 2, 3, minus 2. There are only 4 pairs, and there are fewer possibilities and more easier to find the right answer, so we can easily find this is the right answer. So we can rewrite this equation as x minus 3 times x plus 2 equals to 0. That is, x minus 3 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. That is, x equals to 3, or x equals to minus 2. And because x is greater than 0, so this is not the right answer. And here is the right one. This is method 1, and we have another method. This time we studied from the innermost, that is, the square root of 6 plus the square root of 9 equals to, this is 3, so this is the square root of 6 plus 3 equals to 3. And this time, one more layer, that is the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 9. So that is, because this part is 3, so here we still write 6 plus 3 equals to 3. And one more layer. And this is the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus square root 9. And this we know is 3, so this is still 6 plus 3 equals to 3. According to above, we can deduce that the final step should be the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus the square root of 6 plus, it goes on and on, plus the square root of 6 plus square root 9. So that is equal to 6 plus 3. And this is 3. So from this way, we also got the final answer. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.